Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Meron bang magbabalik? Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Cancer. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Kuha tayo ng mga messages from the Romance and Love Oracle. Okay. Random message for Cancer. Strong energy for Cancer, please. Merong wish. Someone you wished for is coming into your life. Darating na siya, Cancer. Okay? You've been wishing for this, hoping na magkita kayo. Or na dumating na siya sa buhay ninyo. Yung the one for you. Sparks. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Okay? Keep the sparks flying for those who are in relationship already. Individuality. Be wary of possessive partners. Maintain your individuality. For some of you, you are with someone na possessive, okay? Or controlling. Obsessed siya sa'yo, okay? Minsan hindi ka na makakagalaw or makakagawa ng sarili nyo or gusto nyong gawin. Because someone is possessive and controlling, okay? Maintain your individuality. Cancer. Tingnan natin. Ano yung messages from the tarot for Cancer? How does your person feel about you, Cancer? Inoobserbahan ka ng person ninyo. Okay. He feels that you are also intuitive. Parang nakikiramdam ka din. Okay. Your person also feels that you are emotionally stable. Yeah. He thinks na meron kang alam or meron kang gustong i-discuss or sabihin sa kanya. Okay? Meron kang nararamdaman pero tinatago mo lang. Parang may gusto kang sabihin sa kanya. Okay? Yun yung iniisip niya sa'yo. Yeah. Maybe naobserbahan mo na meron siyang mga ginagawa na hindi maganda, okay? Unhealthy habits. For some of you, nararamdaman mo na parang may problema sa relationship, may kailangan baguhin. Okay? May mga unhealthy patterns sa inyong relationship. Yeah. But your person is willing to make necessary changes. Okay? Para sa inyong dalawa, para sa inyong relasyon. Malakas ang kutob mo, Cancer, na meron siyang ginagawa. Gusto mo maging straightforward sa kanya. Kung ano man yung ginagawa niya na unhealthy or mga patterns, gusto mong diretsuhin siya or sabihin yun sa kanya. But your person is willing to listen also and make changes para sa'yo. Okay. For some of you, nagkakaroon ng changes or transformation into a deeper relationship. Okay. Magta-transform, magpapago na ang inyong relasyon, magiging matatag. That is for some of you. Ayan. You feel, maybe you are in a long distance relationship and you feel na parang gusto mo siyang tawagan, gusto mo siyang kausapin, may gusto kang prangkahin or klaruhin kasi may gusto kang alamin. Okay. For some of you, you've been longing to na parang gumawa na mga exciting na mga activities para sa inyong dalawa. You are looking forward to it. You feel na yung person mo may mga ginagawang something creative, something exciting. Okay? And you gusto mong malaman yon. Yeah. May gusto ka talagang klaruhin. Okay? Gusto mong malaman kung ano yung ginagawa ng person ninyo. At kung ano man yun, gusto mong bigyan ng solusyon. Yeah. May kailangan kayong pag-usapan, okay? Because kung ano man tong mga nararamdaman ninyo, siguro mga problems, merong dishonesty, deception na nangyayari sa relationship nyo, gusto mo tong pag-usapan, gusto mo karoon ng clarity, okay? And you wanted to take action or bigyan ng problema o solusyon para ma-save ang inyong relationship. That is for some of you, Cancer. Yeah. Merong nalulungkot, disappointed sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon. Okay? 3 of Cups. You feel that your person is parang mas mahalaga sa kanya yung friends niya. Parang lagi siyang nasa labas, nakikipag-usap, kasama yung mga maybe katrabaho niya to. Okay? For some of you, third person. Yeah. You want to break away from this situation. May gusto kang alamin. Yeah. Focus on your work. Focus ka sa stability mo, Cancer. Okay? May mga plans ka sana or may mga plans kayong dapat pag-usapan para sa security ninyong dalawa. Okay? Future plans. Ano natin? Yes, gusto mo talaga i-preserve kung anong meron sa relationship ninyo. Okay? Gusto mo maging masaya lang, magkasama kayo, magkalayo kayo, and your person feels na parang may gusto kang alamin. Okay? At may gusto kang klaruhin. May questions about trustworthiness, okay, sa inyong relationship. Nag-iisip, may person feels na nag-iisip ka, yung pang long term ninyo, okay? You want a stable relationship with your person. Nagkaroon kayo ng sarili ninyong family, okay? Or gusto mong maging close or magkasama kayo, okay? That is for some of you. Gusto mo magkaroon ng stability. Okay? Yeah. So, nag-iisip ka, Cancer? You're looking forward na makareceive ka ng something, surprise from your person. Okay? You're looking forward na magkaroon ng magandang balita. Magkaroon ng magandang balita sa inyo, yung person ninyo. You're waiting for that. You are looking forward to receive something positive about sa mga plans niya. Anong meron, okay? Sa inyong dalawa. Anong kailangan mo i-look forward? Okay? So, your person is thinking na talagang hopeful ka at nag-aantay ka sa kanya. Okay? Mataas ang expectations mo sa person mo. Yun yung iniisip niya sa'yo. That you are like that, Cancer. Nag-i-expect ka ng long-term plans. King of Cups. Okay. Yeah. Your person is willing to make changes, okay? Para maging stable ang inyong relationship. May ibigay niya sa iyo ang nararapat, okay? He is a good person, Cancer. Parang pinapakita sa inyo ng person mo na devoted siya. But you just need clarification. Parang gusto mong lumabas yan sa bibig niya. Gusto mong marinig yan sa kanya ng diretsyo. Yeah. Be patient, Cancer. Kailangan mong pahabaan ang iyong pasensya and wait for the right timing, okay? May tamang panahon or oras para pag-usapan dyan. Maybe your person is just waiting for the right time, okay? And for some of you, nag-iisip ka na parang ang tagal or ang bagal kumilos or magdesisyon ang inyong person. And kailangan mo ng pasensya. Yeah. Gusto mo makarinig ng magandang balita sa kanya, sa person mo. Gusto mo rin na suyuin kanya, okay? Kasi parang yung person mo is hindi siya ganon ka-communicative sa kanyang nararamdaman. Yeah. You are wishing sana mag-usap kayo, no? Yung malalim na pag-uusap, heartwarming na pag-uusap, may discussion about sa relationship nyo, magparamdam, magsalita, okay? That's what you want from him. You are expecting that. For some of you, this is baliktad, okay? This is vice versa, the situation. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? Take what resonates, Cancer. Yeah. Gusto mo merong discussion kung anong problema. Okay, gusto mo ng clarity. Parang nahirapan ka na sa sitwasyon ninyo, but you know, merong bagong pag-asa para sa inyo. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa, Cancer. Okay, there will be a new beginning. Okay. May potential ang inyong relationship to grow further. Yeah. Kailangan ng spark sa inyong relationship. Siguro kasi magkalayo kayo ng person ninyo. For some of you, you are dealing with an air sign, okay? Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. For some of you, Scorpio, okay? Water sign. For some of you, physical touch ang kailangan. You are looking forward for that. You are hoping, okay? Kailangan ng pasensya, okay? Pahabain, palawakin ang isip at the same time. Here's the Knight of Wands. Yeah. Okay. Magkakaroon ng action, okay? Kung napapag-usapan nito, magkakaroon ng solusyon. Magiging responsive ang inyong person, Cancer, if that is what you want. Kailangan mo lang din maging open up and expressive sa inyong nararamdaman, okay? Keep the passion alive. Ibalik yung spark sa inyong relationship. Okay? You need to communicate with him or her. If you have other concerns, kung may problema ka sa kanya, be straightforward, direct to the point kung anong concern mo sa kanya. Magiging responsive ang inyong person. Bibigyan ka niya ng time, okay? And for some of you, you will be active. Kung meron ka mga organizations or active ka sa community, parang i-devote mo yung self mo doon, bibigyan mo ng oras yun, okay? Or sa work mo. There will be a new beginning for you. May mga exciting din na mangyayari sa inyo, Cancer. So, hindi lang yung mag-aantay ka na magparamdam sa inyong person. Do what you need to do, okay? Kasi parang nakaikot lang din yung isip or yung vision nyo sa inyong dalawa. Okay? May mga ibang, some people needs your attention or some people need your attention as well. Your family, your other friends, yung community ninyo, okay? Do not be hard on yourself, Cancer, okay? Tingnan natin yung ibang message from the Love Oracle. Random message for Cancer from Lover Oracle. I cannot express myself. I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Okay. Meron ganyan. For some of you. I don't know who I am anymore. Why do I feel this way? Then, what is the truth? Okay. You're asking that to your person, Cancer. What is the truth? Meron kang gustong alamin? See? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Cancer. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!